Hi everyone, my name is Ashley Fallon. I'm a kindergarten teacher at Pass Road. Here is my tech tip. So when I come to school in the morning, I make sure that all of my tabs are ready to go. So one thing that you can do is you can pin your tab. So if you right mouse click and click pin, it will take it over here, and throughout the day you can adjust them if you need to, but they are all just tiny tabs over here. Something also you can do if you do not choose to pin them is you can group them. So you can add them to a group. So what I do is I will put reading, and I'll put all of my reading things, any of my morning songs, anything that I'm using for reading here. And once I'm done with reading, I can just close it. So I do not have tabs all up here. I only have the ones that I need. And then I can just open it back up when I'm ready. So I can just sort of go through and organize my tabs throughout the day. Instead of having 100 tabs open, I really just have 2 or 3.